Tindakan brutal Israel yang membombardir Rafah di Gaza Selatan menuai reaksi PBB.
Sekjen PBB Antonio Guterres mengutuk serangan Israel terhadap kamp pengungsi di kota Rafah, Gaza.
Sekretaris Jenderal PBB Antonio Guterres mengutuk dengan keras serangan udara yang dilakukan pasukan pertahanan Israel IDF di Rafah yang menghantam tenda-tenda yang menampung pengungsi, menewaskan sedikitnya 50 orang dan melukai banyak lainnya. Juru bicara Sekjen PBB Stephane Dujarric mengatakan kepada wartawan di New York bahwa Sekretaris Jenderal sangat sedih dengan banyaknya korban tewas dan terluka, termasuk banyak anak kecil, dan menekankan bahwa kengerian dan penderitaan harus segera dihentikan.
Attacks on Rafah have continued unabated, and civilians displaced by hostilities lack shelter, they lack food, they lack water and other supplies essential to their human survival. Health facilities have continued to face dire shortages of fuel and medical supplies while having to cope with a rising influx of casualties due to injuries and burns. Our humanitarian colleagues tell us that while the Karim Shalom crossing remains open in principle, it's extremely difficult for aid organization to access from the Gaza side due to the hostilities, challenging logistical conditions, and complex coordination procedures. We must work expeditiously to restore security, dignity, and hope for all of the affected population. This will require urgent efforts to support and strengthen the new Palestinian government and its institutions, including for preparing the Palestinian Authority to reassume its responsibilities in Gaza. We must also move forward with tangible and irreversible steps to create a political horizon. The devastation and the misery of the past 7 months have reinforced the absolute need for Israelis, for Palestinians, for states in the region, and the broader international community to take urgent steps that will enable the parties to re-engage on the long-delayed political path to achieve a two-state solution.
Mahkamah Internasional mengeluarkan langkah-langkah sementara baru yang memerintahkan Israel untuk segera menghentikan operasi militer di Rafah yang terletak di Gaza Selatan yang telah memaksa sekitar 1 juta orang mengungsi ke tempat lain. NTV melaporkan.